I think the whole mission would be just to make high quality garments. Things that are considered to be made here and touched by people who are actually building the work is also part of the relationship building of a garment. And that's what we want to do here. My father was from Japan. I'm a second generation born here, so it's a good mix and melting pot between, being Japanese and American. And so I have a great chronological kind of order of how things are made in Japan. The manufacturing process can be improved here to provide another reliable source of things. So that's why it's made me more flexible in order to drive to the quality that we need here for our manufacturing here in the USA. We hope that Universal Overall products are providing a lifetime quality for you to pass down to generations. Also, to have a story behind it. Also to know the manufacturer that we're here producing in the USA. We're real people, that we're trying to provide that quality that you can hand down to generations. Also, just that you can rely on it. Simple enough. You need one garment that does all that you need. That's something that will be a baseline for what you pick on the next season or next time of your life, whatever that is. So when you're starting to grow up, when you're starting to, get into a particular labor position or something that requires you to be a certain way and have a specific requirements, then that way we can provide that to you.